warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Alifah Noer. I am from Mathematics Education of Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. UHAMKA University. And this video, I want to explain about histogram, stand and leaf graph, circle graph, and line plot. Enjoy for watching!
Histogram. What is a histogram? A graphical display of data using bar of different height. It is similar to a bar chart, but a histogram group number into range. The height of each bar shows how many fall into each range. Example of histogram. Mr. Rary, a famous doctor, is conducting research on the height of the students studying in a standard. He has gathered a sample of 15 students, but I want to know which the maximum category is where they belong. The following is a data table of 15 students. Solution. We have created a histogram using 6 bins with 6 different frequencies as seen below in the chart. In y-axis is the average number of students falling in the particular category. In x-axis, we have the range of height. For example, the first bin range in 138 cm to 140 cm, and we can note that the count is first for that category from the table and as seen in the below graph. Here we can see the height of the student on a average is in range of 142 cm to 146 cm for X standard. And also one can note the one side of the average also fall on the other side of the average, which in the sense of normal distribution. Stem and leaf graph and circle graph. What is a stem and leaf graph? A stem and leaf diagram, also called a stem and leaf plot, is a diagram that quickly summarizes data while maintaining the individual data point. In such a diagram, the stem is a column of the unique element of data after removing the last digit. The final digit or leaf of each column are then placed in a row next to the appropriate column and sorted in numerical order. What is a circle graph? A pie chart or circle graph, also called a pie graph or circle graph, makes use of sector in a circle. The angle of a sector is proportional to the frequency of the data. The formula to determine the angle of a sector in a circle graph is sector angle equal frequency of data in the sector divided by total frequency of data in sample times 360 degrees. Example stem and leaf graph. In a recent study of male students at a local high school, students were asked how much money they spent socially on prom night. The following number represent the amount of dollars of a random selection of 40 male students. Represent this data in a stem and leaf plot. Solution. The stem will be arranged vertically in ascending order, smallest to large, and each leaf will be written to the right of each stem horizontally, in order from least to greatest. Example circle graph. Example. In a school, there are 750 students in year 1, 420 in year 2, and 630 in student in year 3. Draw a circle graph to represent the number of students in this group. Solution. Total number of students equal 750 plus 420 plus 1620 equal 1800. Year 1. Size of angel equal 750 divided by 1800 times 360 degrees equal 150 degrees. Year 2. Size of angel equal 420 divided by 1800 times 360 degrees equal 84 degrees. Year 3. Size of angel equal 630 divided by 1800 times 360 degrees equal 126 degrees. Draw the circle, measure in each sector, table each sector, and the pie chart. Line plot. Line plot can be defined as a graph that displays data as point or check marked above a number line showing the frequency of each value. Comparing graph, histogram, and stem and leaf graph. The original data can be reconstructed from a stem and leaf diagram but not from a histogram. Although both the histogram and the stem and leaf diagram can show the frequency distribution, more information can be read from the stem and leaf diagram than from the histogram, including the original data, the exact value of the median, and the interquartile range, etc. A stem and leaf diagram can indicate individual value and is appropriate for a small set of data. A histogram is more suitable for a large data set and its class width can be adjusted easily. This is the picture of stem and leaf and histogram. Comparing graph, histogram and circle graph. Histogram is drawn in the form of rectangular bar. Histogram is drawn toward the head of graph sheet. Vertical axis is a frequency count, used only with discrete data. Pie chart or cycle graph. Pie chart is drawn in the form of cycle. Pie chart is drawn with the help of compass and protractor. It is circle in shape and it different in part of the circle, used only with continuous data. Comparing graph, histogram, and line plot. Line plot are used to figure out how much of one value is in a set of data. Histogram are used to show or compare data in what seems like a bar graph, but instead it used to compare data over a period of time. number of value at this interval.
Okay, maybe enough my explain today about histogram, stand and lift graph, circle graph, and line plot. Thanks for your attention, and let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and see you.